Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Similarweb. Similarweb is a platform that you can go on to analyze a website or an app. Why would you need to analyze a website, you may ask? For example, if you are going into blogging or so on, or you're just curious how much traffic a particular website is getting, you can use Similarweb, and not only does it show you the amount of traffic that they are getting, but it also breaks down the keywords that are drawing their traffic or where they are getting their traffic from, whether it is via advertisement, social media, or so on. So let me show you an example. Let's say, for example, this website right here. All this website does is talk about person's height. So if you are interested in starting another website just like this that talks about celebrity height and also dating rumors or so on, this would be a good idea for you. So the first thing you would do is simply copy the website URL. Then you are going to go back into Similarweb, and right where you see analyze any website or app, you are going to paste it right there. After you have pasted the URL right there, you are going to tap on search. And once you have tapped on search, you are going to give Similarweb a few seconds. Then you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you will get all the information that you would need on that particular website to know if it is a good niche or so on to go into. So the first thing you will see is the website name. You will also see an approximate amount of how much employees they have, and you can see where the website is located. So you can see that this website is located in the United Kingdom, and you can see their approximate annual revenue also. So all you will need to do is scroll down. You can see their ranking, and from here you'll see the total visits is 229,000. And by the way, the bounce rate means on average how much persons visit or view a page before leaving the website, as you can see right here. And you can see the pages per visit, and that means the average pages per visit. And you can also scroll down and see the average visit duration. So this means how long does a particular person stay on average on that particular page or website. So you can see right here, and you can also see their comparison to similarly ranked websites, as you can see here. So if you would like to analyze another website just like this, all you would have to do is copy the URL. I will show you later on in the video, but let me show you how to analyze one website at first. So all you would need to do is scroll down. You can see on average how many visitors they are getting per month over the past 3 months. You can see here, and by scrolling down you can see where they are getting their traffic from, meaning the top countries. So you can see that their top country is United States, and you can see that 45% of their traffic is from United States, and then they have Nigeria, United Kingdom, and Canada. And by scrolling down, you'll see the average gender. As you can see here, majority of their visitors are male, and you can also see the average age. So you get a good breakdown of not only where the traffic is coming from, how much traffic a particular website is getting, but also the average age and gender. So if you would like to do target ads or so on, you can do that. So by scrolling down, you can see here other websites that persons that visit that particular website is visiting, as you can see here, and you can also see topics that they are searching for. And by scrolling down, you can see similar websites, and you can see their monthly visits also. And by scrolling down even further, you will be able to see where they are getting majority of their traffic from. So you can see that majority of this example website, their traffic is coming from organic search, as you can see here, or direct. And you can also see if they were doing paid search, which this website is not doing. And you can see that they are getting a small percentage of visitors via social, meaning Pinterest or YouTube or so on, any one of the social media platforms. And by scrolling down, you can see the top search keywords on any one of these websites that you are doing. So you can see here that the top search keyword on this one is John Wick Vumu, and you can see right here height rapper. And another feature that you can also use on SimilarWeb is if you would like to track the traffic per month, you could tap right where you see April 23rd, and from there you will be able to get a more detailed analysis. But to do that, you'll need to sign up. You could sign up using their free trial, or if you would like to tap on all traffic in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be able to separate the traffic. Whether you want to separate desktop traffic from mobile visit, you could do that. And also, if you would like to save your analysis via PDF, you could tap right here to download it. But again, to do this, you would have to sign up to the free trial. And to compare this to another website, all you'll have to do is tap right where you see the plus right here. Then you can see the websites that it recommends. And if you would like to add a particular URL, you would have to tap on add to compare. But again, you would have to be on the paid, or better yet, the free trial plan to do that. And if you are inquisitive to know what is the pricing, all you would have to do is tap on pricing at the top right here, and you'll be able to see which one of the plans you could go on. So let me scroll down so that we can view it, as you can see right here. So you can book whether you would like to be a digital marketing intelligence. So whether you would like to use it for digital marketing intelligence, you can tap on book a demo right there, or digital research intelligence, you could tap on book a demo right there. So you can see the different packages that they offer. And if you would like to start off with their paid plan right here, it starts from $167, but you can try it for free without even signing up with your credit card. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.